At Slimming World, we don't believe in cutting out food groups. Pasta is filling and low in calories for its weight. So if you fancy some quick, comforting carbs, a healthy spaghetti carbonara recipe will hit the spot. And with just a handful of ingredients, this light version keeps all the taste of the creamy Italian classic, but with a fraction of the Syns. Start off by cooking the spaghetti. Pasta brands cook at different times, so just follow the pack instructions. While that's cooking, dry fry the lean bacon or gammon over a high heat. Beat 4 eggs and stir through 4 tablespoons of fat-free natural fromage frais. This is what's going to give you the lovely creamy texture. Add a tablespoon of grated Parmesan and a handful of chopped fresh chives. Mix everything in with the drained hot spaghetti and toss thoroughly so the sauce coats the pasta. The cheese will melt and the eggs will gently cook in the residual heat. Divide between 4 warm bowls and scatter over another tablespoon of fresh Parmesan to serve.